Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to create an Add Yours template on Instagram. But before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications icon. Now, let's start. First of all, you are going to press on the plus sign at the bottom of the screen, create a story, and then create. And then you are going to press on the sticker icon at the top of the screen and choose Add Yours template. And from here, you can customize your own template as you desire. For example, I'm going to write text, let's say museums. And an emoji. And then I can add a picture. Press on the sticker icon, add a picture from your camera roll, and voila. You are basically set. A long press on your item can send it either forwards or backwards, as you desire. Here I'm sending this forward and the picture right at the back. And before you are done, don't forget to press on the Add Yours icon and select the items that you want to pin. You are going to click Next, and basically you are set. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helped, and see you next time.